Hey guys, now a lot of people write to me saying, how come when I do it, it doesn't look like yours? So many things to answer this, but I'm just gonna go with two for today. First of all, I have done it at least 2,000 times, so just try again, please. Secondly, I have failed way more often than you have. I can't even count how many times I've failed. I normally don't share a video that I have failed. Now, you see this painting here? It looks really cool. I stopped filming in the middle of it because I was in survival mode and I was like, oh my god, I cannot post this. I've been at it for so long, I'm gonna look like an embarrassment. But look how cool it ended up. And I'm not gonna post it. So, I've been sick with COVID for the past week, and the last painting I did last weekend is one that I worked at, and I didn't like it, and I ended up saving it with my blow dryer. So this is going to be today's video, okay? I'm going to skip through quickly the first part, and I'm going to slow back down when I decide that, like, I'm done. Now I'm going to go with the blow dryer and save this painting. So I hope this video helps for those who do fluid art and, you know, fail. You guys are gonna, because I'm not liking this painting, so I'm gonna do something that some people find crazy, but screw it. It's either I try this or I wipe it off, so I'm gonna do something here. And there we have it. How to save a painting when your experiment fails. This is gonna be going up on this side, looking down that way. The black hole of negative space kind of fits there. I need to chill because it needs to maybe settle a bit more. Something just fell from my hair. Ah, the famous blow dryer. It pushes the paints into each other in a way that's like ideal. That's why the Dutch pour is so famous.
Let me see. Oh yeah. It looks so much better now. I remember, like, I've had so many comments from people saying, how come when it's you, like, when you do your paintings, they always look good? I'm like, no, I think you don't understand here. I fail as much as everyone. It's just that in time, the more you practice, the less you fail because you know it's gonna work. But I have, like, this part of me that needs to try different things and see if it's gonna work all the time, you know? Okay. It's sick. I'm back. This is over an hour later. I waited till it stopped changing. There's a lot of different ingredients in this painting, so it changes a lot in time. I am loving the overall look. I totally saved it with the blow dryer. It kind of reminds me a bit of the painting I did recently with golden fluid, where I sort of used the blow dryer all over it like I did with this one. The only difference is this one is going to fade. It's not golden fluid, so the varnish is going to really bring this one back to life once it's dried. You can see how the satin enamels reacted here with the weirdo cells. I'm loving the colors. And I really like how the paint moved here towards that way, creating motion. It's pretty cool. All right, stay tuned for the dried and final result. Back with the final result. It's varnish. Now I'm in my room, and in case you guys missed it, that was the painting that I did in collaboration with Elise Fournier a while ago, maybe 2-3 years ago. The video's on YouTube. I think I'll put it in the description if you're interested. So this painting is gorgeous, you guys. Part of me was gonna maybe paint on top of it once it was dried, but I decided not to because it's just very naturally, organically pretty. It just works, and I like it when it's dark. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.